friends, welcome back. Now we'll be doing problem 18 from 2074 RE109CC set. Sorry. And here we have to experimentally find out the relation between opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Sometimes we will be asked to prove experimentally. The thing is the same. We are just going to find out or prove the relation between the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral BCDE. And here we are given that two circles having radii at least 3 centimeter are necessary, so we have to make at least two circles, and the radius should be equal to or greater than 3 centimeter. So let's do it. And the procedure to do the experimental verification is firstly drawing the correct figure. So here given so we have to construct two circles, one smaller and one bigger. All right, and let's say this one is 3.5 centimeter. We don't have to show the radius here, so no need to show it, but let's consider that these two circles have the radii greater than 3 centimeter. And we can draw cyclic quadrilateral using scale. Cyclic quadrilateral means the four corners of quadrilateral should touch the circumference of the circle, and we have to name these quadrilateral BCDE. So we cannot name it anything that we want, so let's call it B, C, D and E, right? And similarly for this one, we can simply draw E. We can make the same shape, right? We can make different shape, it doesn't matter, and we can name it differently, right? But it is always better to name on the same part. Like if the B is on the bottom left, we write B here and C here and D here and E here, right? And this one is figure 1 and figure 2. So you write here construction, two figures of or two quadrilaterals. Let's write it like that. Two cyclic quadrilaterals BCDE are drawn. Now for this thing you will get 1 marks, and you will get the other 2 marks for the table, the verification table. So table, let's construct the table, right? So you write SN, there are two figures, so it will be figure 1 or figure 2, or simply write first and second, right? And since we have to find the relation between the opposite angles, so there are the relation between the opposite angles, right? So measurement of each angle, so B, angle C, angle D, angle E, and using protractor you can measure this angle. All right, so say this angle B for first figure is for your figure, because it depends on your figure. All right, these values of BCDE will not be same. So if I write 60 degrees, so you might get 65, 70, 80, 120, whatever the figure you have drawn. So let's say that for first figure, so this one is how much do you want to make it? 70, and so this one will be 110, right? And let's say it 90. Okay, it doesn't look so, but let's call it 90. All right, you don't have to write these values on the figure. It is better not to write on the figure. All right, so I'm just showing it for the to remove the confusion. So angle B for our case first is 70, and angle C is 90, angle D is 110, and angle E is again 90, right? And for second case, let's say this one is 60, this one is 80, this one is 120, this one is 100, and at last we write remarks. So if we look here of the opposite angles, so angle B and angle D, if we add these two, it will be 180, right? So angle B plus angle D is equal to 180, and angle C plus angle E is also equal to 180. Similarly, angle what is that angle? Yeah, same reason. Angle B plus angle D equals to 180 degree, and angle C plus angle E is again equals to 180 degree, right? So this is our table. You draw the lines, all right? You have to make the proper table here, and you make the table like this, right? All right, great. And so for this you will get 2 marks. You will get 1 marks for construction, and you will get the other 1 marks for conclusion. So we have to find the relation, right? The relation is that the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. So we write that here. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. That means when we add these two angles, it will give us 180 degree, right? So this is enough. All right, so this is our answer. Got it? Great, and good luck.